Hello students of 8th class, this is Shruti. Today I am going to teach you your chapter first of civics. Your chapter is the Indian Constitutions. This is very important chapter. Okay, let's start your chapter. You have to read this chapter very deeply. Okay, let's start. And your first topic is, why does our country need a constitution? Okay, why do we need constitutions? First topic will be that. Okay, let's start. What is constitutions? Constitution is a document, okay, that helps to apply set of rules in a country. I'll repeat, constitution is a document, okay, document, set of rules. What is set of rules? Next, for a country, okay, constitution is a document that helps to apply set of rules in a country. Okay, that's why we want a constitution in a country. Okay, that's why we want a constitution in a country, in a particular country. That's why India also follow the constitutions. Okay, our constitutions help serve as a set of rules and principles. Okay, it serves set of rules and principles that all the person in our country can agree upon the basis as of the way in which they want to country to be a government. Okay, people also elect their government. Okay, because we have the democracy, also here. Okay, that's why we want constitutions set of rule. Okay, let's go. In this para you can see this includes not only the type of government but also an agreement on certain ideals that they all believe the country should uphold. Okay, a constitution helps serve as a set of rules. That's why we want a constitution. Okay, where the constitutions nobody can dispute your any rights. Okay, you can't miss your right. You have to also read it, okay, carefully. There is a dominance of a monitor. Anil, today I am going to report your Mrs. Rao. Mrs. Rao is a teacher here. Okay, Anil is a student and monitor is attending the class. Okay, but what I have done? Anil is asking. Okay, ma'am enters inside the room when she is asking to monitor what had happened in the class. Okay, he is telling, ma'am, while you were away, Anil kept talking. That means he is talking in the class continue. Okay, he is lying actually. Monitor is lying totally here. Okay, then look, he is planned here to dispute her right in the class. Okay, Anil, you will have to stay back after school today and write, I will not disobey the class monitor 100 times. Okay, that means Anil have to write 100 times, I will not disobey the class monitor. Okay, he is asking again and again, but ma'am did not do anything. Okay, Anil is asking many times. here. Okay, what is he asking? That is, I did not do anything in the class. Okay, that means there is no any rule in the class where the monitor apply his dominance. Okay, where the monitor applies his dominance. This is the very cruel monitor. Okay, so totally we have to say we don't want like this monitor in the class, and teacher also should be perfect to judge who is right at the time and who is wrong at the time. Okay, on the spot also judge that. Okay, so we want constitutions here. Okay, we want constitutions here also, right? Let's start now. Your next topic will be the right now. In the constitution also we have our rights also. Okay, right to equality is one of the fundamental rights. Okay, we have the right of equality, and we also have the fundamental rights. Okay, fundamental rights. We have so many rights in the constitutions. Okay, if we follow the constitutions, government should follow the all rules. Okay, in a country no one is upper from constitutions. Okay, if we talk about a set of rule, if we talk about why do we need constitution, so firstly we will say that for the set of rules. Okay, second one is right, third one is for the equality purpose. We want constitutions. Okay, where the constitutions will have any country a perfect continuation, there will not be any discrimination between any person. Okay, there will be a perfect equality and all persons have their perfect right, all kinds of right. Okay, there not will be any discrimination between other, and government also should follow their set of rules and principles also. So don't forget, learn 3 points. So in the next video I'll discuss the Indian Constitution's key features. Okay, you have gotten now what is constitutions and how do we apply a constitution in the country. In the next video I'll discuss this term, the Indian Constitution's key feature. Okay, take care, stay home, stay safe.